Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shipping costs on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is you can head over in here on our settings. And then under the settings, you should be able to see the shipping from here, which is the shipping and delivery. So click on that. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here the shipping and delivery section with this shipping and this custom shipping rates, as well as this expected delivery date, local delivery, local pickup, and all of these things right here. So you can also add in your package to show accurate shipping rates at checkout. So this will use sample box to calculate shipping rates at checkout. So let's click on this add package right here. And then for this one, we can actually name it, or you can also just use a carrier package that they have, which is the USPS right here. So for example, for me, I'll just name it premium or fragile. And then once I have named this specific thing right here, I should be able to head over and just choose the package type. It can be box, envelope, so package with satchel. And I'll just need to put in here the length of my actual package. It can be on cm or it can be on inches. So for me, I'll just put in here this one. And then the weight is optional. So for example, you can just make it 10 kilograms and then click on add package right here. Now that we have a package, we can head over in here on our custom shipping rates. And you can see that I have already created this one. If you don't have that yet, then make sure to add that. And then customers will be able to complete checkout for this product because I don't have a shipping rate yet. What I can do is I can actually head over and then just put in here a zone. So I'll click on create zone right here. And I'll just put in here a zone name, which is New York, for example, for me. Or you can also just search in here by the country code or anything like that. For example, search in here for US. Click on that and click on done. And as you can see, this will look like this. Now click on add rate. And then you can use flat rate or you can use carrier app to calculate the fees. And you can just choose in here the actual services. So for example, you want to use a flat rate. You can also put in here the shipping rate, which is the standard, express, or economy. And then for this one, you just need to put in here price. For me, I'll just put this one and then click on done. After that, click on save right here and this will be saved on your shipping rate. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.